Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm telling you how to connect Zoom to Calendly. So guys, pretty much how this is done, you just of course create an account on Zoom. You want to log in as well if you want. Also after that you go to Calendly, and here it's very straightforward. You pretty much just go to integrations and apps, and as you can see the very fast integration is going to be Zoom. Click on it, and as you can see the features that will save us time: automatically create Zoom meetings, share unique conferencing details, etc. And you need a Zoom account, so just make sure to create one. And now connect Zoom, and as you can see we are now taken to Zoom, and this is going to be our connection page. And as you can see guys, now you will have the certain permissions shown to you, basically which settings and things our Calendly will be able to access. So you can review them, the app permissions, and when you're done, just press on allow. And as you can see, Zoom account has been successfully connected, and of course it will tell you which account was used for that. So as you can see, now your Zoom is successfully connected. You can go to event types and manage your Zoom through Calendly, guys. So very easy and straightforward. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out in any way, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.